Hey everybody, welcome back. We got some new tools in today that we're going to be taking a look at from Short Action Customs. Over Black Friday, they were having a deal on this Bravo barrel vise. So we went ahead and picked one up for the shop. We can start pulling barrels easier. Hopefully it'll help out with the workflow around the shop here. So I just want to show you everything that it comes with. It comes with, of course, the barrel vise. It comes with the bushing tray. It comes with all the bushings. Pretty handy that it comes with a little storage rack for those. Also comes with a Arca benchtop adapter. Then it comes with the drywall tape that they recommend to wrap around the barrel as you're taking it out. I use the inline fabrication setup, so I went ahead and got the quick change mount for the Arca rail, which sits right on there. Thread it in using a 3/8 Allen wrench. Has these bolts here for tightening and loosening the barrel vise down. And that's a 3/16 Allen wrench. Just loosen it up. And slide it in. Should give a nice firm base to be able to pull barrels out of actions. Everything else. Also, these bolts up here are the 3/8 Allen wrench as well. And there are the little nubs. Comes with just make sure they just look like cabinet rubber pieces. And then the bushings have a corresponding notch. They sit in there so they don't slip as you're trying to pull the barrel out, and you got it all tightened down. Just sit in there like that. Put your barrel in, and good to go. Also, more videos about this system a little later, once I get it all put on the bench and we have a Tika that we need to rebarrel. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.